Today we will talk about a tiny words in English that make a huge difference. اليوم راح نتحدث عن كلمات صغيرة باللغة الإنجليزية ولكن تأثيرها كبير جدا. Articles. All of you heard about articles. كلكم سمعتوا عن articles. What are the articles? A, and the. A, and the. We have definite articles. We have indefinite articles. أدوات تعريف وأدوات غير معرف. Indefinite articles a and an. When do we use them? A and an. A is used with the nouns that initiated by a consonant letter. A تستخدم مع الكلمات التي تبدأ بحرف صحيح like book, cat, chair, table, cigarette, anything. Start with a consonant مع حرف صحيح. أي شيء يبدأ بحرف صحيح. And we used it with nouns that initiated by a vowel. And نستخدمها بالكلمات التي تبدأ بحرف علة مثل apple, an apple, egg, an egg, orange, an orange, emotion, an emotion, umbrella, an umbrella. What are the vowels? We have 5 letters vowel. عندنا 5 حروف. A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowels. ها هم حروف العلة. I have written some examples for you by using a and an, and zero article also. A and an used only with countable nouns. A وan نستخدمها فقط مع الأسماء المعدودة. Uncountable nouns we can't use a or an. ما نستطيع نستخدمها مع uncountable nouns such as water, hair, etc. Rice, milk, juice. All of these uncountable nouns we can't use a and an with it. I have a book. I have a book. عندي كتاب. It means I have one book. Somebody else said I have box. It is countable noun. Box means he has a lot of boxes. A lot of box. عنده كتب كثيرة. We used with plural zero article. But when we mean one thing, we should add a or an. I have a book. I bought a pen yesterday. I bought pens yesterday. You notice that we use zero article with more than one thing. مع المعدود مع الأكثر من شيء واحد اللي هو الجمع نستخدم zero article ما نستخدم article. Is that clear? Sorry, I have written you 2 examples here in your paper. I wrote an emotional poem. I wrote an emotional poem. Emotional poem, because poem is preceded by emotional, we should put an, because this word initiated by a, it is a vowel. لأن كلمة emotional تبدأ بحرف علة ولهذا استخدمنا a. If I wrote it without emotional, we should put a instead of an. إذا كتبت بدون emotional, I wrote a poem. I wrote a poem without a. Give me an apple, please. Give me an apple, please. Also, and let's move to another article. الآن بدنا ننتقل لأداة تعريف. the indefinite article the. أداة التعريف the. When do we use the? متى نستخدم the? Listen carefully to this example. I asked someone of you to give me a pen. Give me a pen. طلبت من شخص منكم يعطيني قلما. Give me a pen. I used an article A with the word pen because it is initiated by a consonant. لأنها تبدأ بحرف صحيح. استخدمنا A. إذا الشيء يبدأ بحرف علة give me an apple. استخدم an. Give me a pen. I put it here. I lost it. I want to ask about it for the second time. بدي أسأل عنه للمرة الثانية. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Because we mentioned it for the second time, it is indefinite now. لأن ذكرنا الشيء للمرة الثانية أصبح معرفة. بالجملة الأولى حكينا give me a pen. بالجملة الثانية where is the pen? Is that clear? I think. إذن متى نستخدم الارتكل the؟ عندما نذكر الشيء للمرة الثانية. We use it also with rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, and unique things. ممكن نستخدمها كمان مع الأشياء الفريدة. The moon, the sun, the earth. هاي أشياء فريدة. مع الأنهار، مع المحيطات، سلل الجبال، سلاسل الجبال. The Himalaya, the Nile, the Mississippi, the Mount of Everest. All of these things we use that. Also we use it with countries, names of countries that have one name only. Sorry, more than one name. Jordan, suppose it used I live in Jordan without zero article. ما بنستخدم I live in Jordan. But when I say I live in the Hashemite kingdom of Jordan, we use that because it is more than one word. لأنها أكثر من كلمة. The USA. I live in the USA, the United States of America. We used that. But when we use one word, we use zero article. I live in America without an article. أعيش في أمريكا بدون أداة تعريف. ولكن إذا ذكرت الدولة بأكثر من مقطع نضيف that. I hope you get benefit from this video. Thank you. See you next time.